5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start, which covers parking service road south of Smooth Honda showroom stop. From the footage, it was revealed that on 28/10/2019 at about 6:30 p.m. in the evening, two persons appeared from the side of Shroff Hospital by walking on Service Road stop. One of the persons was wearing a cap, and after some time one person who was wearing the cap appeared to assault the other person with kicks and fists. Stop. Thereafter, the persons wearing the cap left from the spot only to return after some time to assault the injured again. Stop. Stanza. Mr. Ravi Sharma, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has not been named in the FIR and he was not present on the spot. Stop. He further submits that the version of the prosecution hinges on the statement of Bhavani Fair Tiwari, who stated that he had seen the petitioner with the deceased on the date of the incident, but no evidence has been placed on record for the said purpose. Stop. He submits that the last seen theory. Stop. Stanza. In the present case, as the version of Bhavani Fair Tiwari has not been corroborated by any other person and the chain remains inconclusive. Stop. He submits that there is no direct evidence available on record to show the involvement of the petitioner in the said offence. Stop. He also contends that charge sheet in the present case has been filed and investigation qua the petitioner is complete. Stop. Further, no recovery is to be effected from the petitioner and no useful purpose would be served in keeping the petitioner behind bars. Stop. Stanza. That apart a total of 31 witnesses have been cited by the petitioner, therefore the trial is going to take considerable time. Stop. Per contra, Mr. Asneet Singh, the learned APP appearing on behalf of the state, has argued on the lines of the status report. Stop. He submits that the offence alleged against the petitioner is of serious nature, and since the petitioner is not an Indian citizen, there is a possibility that the petitioner may flee from the course the justice. Stop. Death in this case occurred due to asphyxia as a result of manual strangulation. Stop. Stanza. He submits that the clothes which were seized from the petitioner at the time of his arrest were sent to the FSL, and the report in respect of the same manifests that the DNA profile of the blood found on the shoes of the petitioner and the DNA profile of the deceased have matched. Stop. It is well settled that the matters to be considered in an application for bails are whether there is any prima facie or reasonable ground to believe that the accused had committed the offense, nature and gravity of the charge. Stop. Over.